By the way, guys, I also will send, as always, the video of this lecture, but I want to send another video with the solution of the review package. Okay, send you to also. Okay, by the way, it's coincidence with another subject. Remember, our subject is MAC1106. Is the union MAC1105, que es collagen, plus MAC1140. And that part, que es the last part, belong to the MAC1140. So you see, bueno, es MAC1140, what's my subject? No, es MAC1140, que es precalculus, que es exactly the same as this. So I want to send the video of today plus another sequence of video que you can see clear the solution of the review package. Okay. Okay. Let me know if you see now the whiteboard. We will happy what's going on. Okay, whiteboard. Minimize. There you go. Do you see now? Answer me. Yes. Yes. Yep. Okay. Basically, the thing I want to discuss is solutions of the system, but a system of inequality. And remember, the solution for the system of inequality, the answer is expressed graphically in one region that you shape, highlight, and the rectangular coordinate system. I want to explain this example is very, very easy by hand. And after the one, I want to explain after the way for solving using decimals, que es the way que I prefer that you are doing. Because this is easy, but there another case not easy, it's complicated. I want to explain how you can solve it using decimals. Now, when you solve it using decimal, you make a screenshot of the solution in decimal and you attach to the test. Okay, no paper like that, no. Okay, let's do it. So now we start. The first inequality, I convert to equation. Because it's the relative equation. And I do the line que corresponde with this. Remember, this is equivalent to say y equal mx plus b. B is a y and a z. In our example, 2. I plot that. 2, 0, no? And the slope is 1/2. So m is 1/2. And remember, definition of the slope is the ratio between rise and wrong. It's obvious in our example, rise is 1 and wrong is 2. So from this point, you move 1 over positive and 2 to the right. And you have 2 points. And when the 2 points, you are doing the line, the connecting both points. In this case, I know very well that this line is solid line. Why is solid? Because my inequality is not a strict inequality. It's a combination equation and inequality because it includes equal sign. Remember, equal sign, solid line. No equal sign, like a number 2 is dollar line. Okay, so you connecting this. Now, after that, you understand that our solution is below this line. Why below? Because it's less than. So you shape that part. But this is the answer for the first inequality. I need to plot the answer for the second. And the intersection is the solution for the system. Okay, let me try the second. The second is easy. You copy again one more time, but copy like equation. And you solve for y. Well, no. You copy like inequality. Okay. For one reason. You solve for y, que es minus y is less than minus 3x plus 3. You divide by -1 because I need positive y, no negative y. Entonces we have y. Entonces when you want inequality divided by a negative number, it's obvious que the inequality sign is totally reversed, flip it. And we have 3x minus 3. Entonces this is the moment to convert to equation. Because the equation is auxiliary tools que help me to split the plane. For example, I saw que b is minus 3, I plug that minus 3 here. And the slope is 3. And 3 is 3 over 1, because it's just 3, que es a whole number. Entonces es 3 up, 1, 2, 3, and 1 down. We get second point. Entonces one more time, I use the rule. But in that case, the line que I'm doing is dotted line. Because my inequality is a strict inequality, no include equal sign. That means that the boundary in between the two semi-plane is not included inside the solution. No. Okay, dotted line, dotted line, dotted line. Okay, by coincidence, this is a common point, but it's okay. Okay, now in what direction I shape? Let me use another color. I will rule out another color, maybe green. It's obvious in our problem, look at that. It's greater than, and greater than is above the line. So above the line is this. So what is my final answer, guys? My final answer is the common part between the red part and the green part. And the intersection is the common part. Let me use one more extra color, but maybe gray color, is this picture. Do you understand very well like this or no? Yes or no? Do you understand? Of course. Yes or no? It's easy, the answer. Do you follow me or no? What happened, guys?
Yeah, we follow you.
Okay. Everyone? Only Leslie speak?
Yes, Professor. Yes.
Okay, amigo. Okay, cool. And so now I want to show you the fantastic way to do the same job in Desmos. And also when I switch into the Desmos screen, I want to solve another que look like horrible, but no, it's easy also. Que contain 3 inequalities. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay? Take this. Now, let me try to switching the screen to Desmos. But the problem is que I didn't see it. There you go. There you go. Let me see if it's now working now. Switching to Desmos. There you go. Look at that. Do you see Desmos, my Desmos?
No yet.
Not yet?
No.
No?
Not for me. It looks white.
I see.
You see, yeah? Are you already, you see?
I can see.
Okay. Somebody don't see that? Say yes or no?
For me, no. I guess it's my connection is kind of off right now.
Do you want I retry again? Because sometimes I need to confirm a stop sharing and switching again to the Desmos. Start sharing and maybe sometime work. Do you see me or no?
Yeah, I do see it now.
Cool. Another possibility when this situation happens is you go out and when you get in again, you see. Okay, entonces you are watching Desmos now, no? I suppose que this example 4. Example 4 and 5. We focus it because 1, 2, and 3 we did in the last class. So now in number 4, look. I copy, pero copy in different way the inequality. Let me explain it a little. Don't worry too much. Look, I copied where. I copy, but I want, for example, I select that part. I select that part que es the second inequality. I copy Control X, o sea, like a could. Now I create another. Look, this is the solution for the first inequality. Okay, it's a line. Do you remember? I suppose. And you copy, paste here another inequality, but without this curly bracket. And you see, entonces I recommend que you using the same color, so say black. Therefore, the darkness part is the solution. Do you see? Do you see?
Yes, yes.
However, much better, more efficiency way is do it in the way I did before. Let me undo. Look at that. I copy the first inequality. I copy the second inequality separated by curly bracket. And this curly bracket means an intersection. And when you press this, bang, you get the answer. More clear. And the color that you prefer is only one. Cool. This is the way I want that you are doing in the test. Okay? Let's do in the second. The second is number 5. No second, is number 5. It's more complicated because we have 3, no? I copy just 2. Okay, entonces es curly bracket. The first one without curly bracket. The second with curly bracket. And the third one with another curly bracket. And is Y greater than. If I recommend you using the keyboard of Desmo, que es fantastic in the sign less than, greater than, or equal. Entonces greater than 5. Greater than -5. Sorry, it's -5. -5. Okay, ready. Now you press this, bang, and you see the solution. The solution is formed by the first inequality is a parabola. One piece of parabola. Okay, let me try to do it step by step. And after, when you feel comfortable, you are doing simultaneously only one piece. Look, Control X, I have in the keyboard. This is a parabola que open down. And the solution for the first inequality is inside the parabola. Now the solution for the second part, let me try. Oh no, Control B. But in this case, I don't understand very well. Let me copy separately without curly bracket. Okay, it's without curly bracket. Without curly bracket. Let me remove this part. Control X. Okay. So basically, see you put the same color, maybe purple color. The darker part is inside the parabola, but below the line. It's that part. Now, see you include the third inequality. You can do separately, but no. I do not recommend that. You put the last part. Okay, Y. So you have the green part, but no. Using the same color. Okay, purple color. So you see that the solution is above the line Y equal -5, inside the parabola, and below the line. The other line is oblique line. Okay, but no. Si you want to see completely simultaneous everything, undo. Exactly the same. We come back at the beginning, and this is my solution. Super. You understand very well or no?
Yes, Professor.
Cool. Now, application of this. Application of this. I want to discuss in one example, and after in the review packet we have two more. One application of this. I want to come back again to the whiteboard. Let me try. There you go. Do you see my whiteboard?
Yes,
I
Professor.
want to, I want to erase. Okay, so this is a typical, that topic is the last one in the chapter. Let's call it, guys, linear programming. Don't be scared with the name because the name is not, is spectacular, but it's not, it's nothing. Look, programming. Period. Let me try to enlarge a little bit the title. Okay, linear programming. What is that? This is the problem, guys. And of course, it's linear. When you're talking about linear, it's because our graph is a line or it's flat, no curvy. It's linear. So now the linear programming problem consists in two parts. The first part is the constraints. Constraints. I forgot one S. Constraints. It's not T. It's constraints. What mean constraints is the restriction that we have in our problem. For example, you have some, suppose you have one company, no? Entonces now in the company we have available something, pero es limited. Entonces this is a constraint. It's a limitation of the problem. Entonces we have constraint, que normally the constraint is a system of inequality. Now we have the second part, que es the objective function. Objective function. Que the objective function is the variable that you want to optimize. Because that problem is optimization. Optimization means find the best solution. Best solution maybe is maximum si es good or minimum si es bad. For example, si es in one company, I want my profit maximize because I want more money. However, si I have a company, I want my cost of production is minimized. It's minimum. This is the gain of this. So yet to these constraints, I need to minimize or maximize the objective function. So let's go directly to one example. And stop for a moment. In the review packet, we solve in two more. But you think it's too easy. Look like complicated, not complicated. It's super easy. Look, suppose that we have different constraints. The constraint is a system of inequality. Suppose x plus y less than or equal 60. This is my first inequality. My second inequality is y greater than 2x. This is my second inequality. My third inequality, remember the system of inequality maybe have 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not like equation. Equation no, equation is limited, but the inequality no. Suppose this is the inequality number 3, and this is y greater than or equal to 0 is inequality number 4. And these 4 inequality represent the constraint of my problem. Okay, so what should I do for solving that problem? Well, you solving the system in decimals, you put the inequality in decimals, and you see the solution, of course, the solution is the region. And by the way, this region is called feasible. Feasible region. Because it's a region in which the problem has a sense according to your business or your company or your something. Maybe it's an army of the United States. And the objective function, no. It's a linear also, pero es equation. It's C. Normally it's called C. I don't know why. It's 250 x plus 150 y. This is the objective function que I need a specification maximize. To be maximum inside the feasible range. Okay, no more blah, blah, blah. Let's move on to the solution. To find the solution, you know that we need to solve the system of inequality. And the super efficiency way to do this is using decimals, no? It's doing. Okay. Let me try to find the script. Okay, I have the linear programming. Okay, there you go. I want to share the screen now for you. Switching to decimals. This is another script. It's the linear programming script. Okay. And we solved only one problem today. The problem number 1. Okay, to say the problem number 1 is formed by 1, 2, 3, and 4 constraints. I copy the 4 constraints, separate by curly bracket. Of course, the first one, not necessary curly bracket. I suppose that you put a curly bracket, make a mistake, yeah, because it's a syntaxis of decimals. You copy the first, okay, it doesn't matter the order. Copy the second, separate by curly bracket, and also that's it. And they want to graphic the solution. And the solution, look, is something like that. Wait, let me make a zoom. The solution is, okay, the solution is, let me erase the blue part. The blue part is not important now. Okay, this is the solution, guys. The solution normally in the linear programming problem is a polygon. In this case, actually, it's a triangle. 3 sides, 3 vertices. And the vertex is easy to find because you can intersection the line and find the intersection point. So I did before, is 20,40, 0,60, and 0,6. Any point inside the gray part is solution, is feasible, it's logical. Outside, no, have no sense according to the restriction of the our part. Now it's a moment of the play again of the objective function. Okay, objective function is a line. I copy weird, but it's a line. I move the line. I move the line. Obviously, any point on this blue line is satisfied perfectly of the objective function. However, you need to compatibilize the objective function, blue color, and the gray color feasible region. And to be maximum. So any point inside here, oh, it's possible. But I need to maximize or minimize. Always the maximum or minimum occur in the vertex, in the corner of the polygon. Ooh, I suppose que here, touch first. Touch first. This is approximate the quantity. Don't worry too much for the value because this is approximate. So now in this case, yes, it's another value, it's another value. But the important information is the x and y of the vertex. Now I come back, no, because you see that table, no? You see that table? In that table, you evaluate 20,40 theta corner inside the objective function. Let me try to do my best. It's a little complicated for me, but I know the answer. The answer is 11,000. 11,000 is 1, 2, 3, 11,000. You see how touch perfectly 11,000 touch here in this corner. This is the maximum. For example, the 9,000. Let me try. 9,000. Boom. passing through the point 0,60. But the value of the sig, in this case I call A, but in the paper I call Z, capital Z. Look, capital Z is 9,000. Of course, there's no maximum, and of course 0, 0 is 0, 0, it's the origin. It's logical, no? So the three corner, the answer was 11,000, 9,000, and 0. So what is the final answer, Professor? Well, the final answer is the maximum occur at the point 20,40 and the maximum value is 11,000. End the story. Easy, easy, easy. Do you understand or no? Let me summarize the idea. You have linear programming problem. Linear programming problem is formed by two parts. One part is the constraints, and the constraint is actually the system of inequality. Okay, I know how you solve that. You plug in decimals, separate by curly bracket, decimal is magic, and indicate me the region. And you evaluate this in the different corner. Let me try to do by hand in the whiteboard. Okay. Actually, okay. Look at that. Come back to the whiteboard. Do you see whiteboard now or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The situation that we have so far look like that. Let me try to do my best. This is the triangle like that. This is my feasible region. That part I obtain for the solution for this system and this. I determine that corner is 20,40. That corner was 0,60. And that corner was 0,0. So I'm plugging in where? In the objective function. Plugging in any corner. No intermediate value inside. No, the corner. Because the corner is the significant point or the potential point when the objective function is maximum or minimum. Okay, entonces, for example, if you evaluate in 20,40, it's just replace 250 multiplication by 20 plus 150 multiplication by 40. I'm putting a calculator. This is 500. And this is 600. And this is 11,000, sorry. 5,000, 6,000, 11,000. And this is one solution here. Likewise, I evaluate in 0,60. Just plugging in. So you replace x for 0 and y for 60. I don't want to do again. And the answer is 9,000. And 0, 0 is obvious 0. Okay, so now I discover that my solution is maximum at the point x equal 20, y equal 40, and the C maximum is 11,000. Do you understand very well the idea? I promise we go over again. And I suppose I erase everything, no? Yes, I suppose. Well, okay, no problem. Let me try to bring the picture again. Guy, any question? Do you understand the idea behind linear programming? Of course, you need more examples, no? I suppose. Let me try to find the picture that I erased accidentally of the review package. Okay. Spring 2023, MAC1106 is here. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. This is the same picture I sent to you in the email. Let's solve it one by one. But not exactly one by one because they are similar repetition, and you let me know if it's enough or not. For example, let's focus on the question 1 and question 2. Do you see very well the whiteboard or no?
Yes, Professor.
Okay, cool. Now, look. The first question say, verify that the value of the variable listing are solution of the system of equation or no. The answer is yes or no. No solution or yes. One possibility is you solve the system, que es no big deal, it's easy. But another possibility, que in my opinion is better, is plugging in the potential solution, que es x equal minus 4 and y equal minus 5 in each equation. And in order to say yes, a solution, you need to prove that value satisfies both equations. So this statement to be true 2 times. Let's do it. So the first equation is x plus y equal negative 9. Entonces x es negative 4 plus y is negative 5 should be negative 9. Oh, it's true because negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9 and negative 9 is equal to negative 9. It's true. And this is enough? No. We need to satisfy both equations. This is equation 1. Now the equation 2 is x minus y equal 1. Be careful with the sign, guys. X is negative 4. Minus 5 is y. Should be 1. This is minus 4 and double minus become positive. Equal 1. I claim this question mark. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 equal 1. It's true again. Both true. Entonces es solution. Do you understand very well? Maybe another student say, no, wait. I don't like this. I like solving the system. Okay, let's do it. It's another option, another alternative. Look. X plus y equal minus 9. Equation 1. X minus y equal 1. Equation 2. And it's easy because it's ready for elimination. So you adding equation 1 plus equation 2, it's obvious that the y is cancelled. It's 2x is equal negative 9 and 1 is negative 4 divided by 2 both sides. X is equal to negative 4. In order to find the y, you select either equation. I suppose it's better the second because it's easier. And you replace x for negative 4 minus y is equal 1, minus y is equal 1, plus 4 is 5, divided by negative 1 both sides, y is equal to negative 5. And you get the same answer. Is given negative 4 and negative 5. Cool, guy? Do you follow me?
Yes, Professor.
Es easy, super easy. Okay, entonces no problema. In order to save time, if I propose you, no? If you don't like, you let me know. I propose you skip number 2 because it's the same stupid thing, right? Or no? What do you think? Number 2 is the same. Evaluate in each equation. See, one is true and another is not true. Not good. To be solution must be true in both equations. Do you want to do the second or no?
Yeah, can you do?
Okay, let's do it. What way you prefer, evaluate or solving?
Evaluate.
Evaluate. Equation 1 is x plus y is 0. And the solution is given at the beginning is x equals 6 and y equals 6. Entonces 6 plus 6 is equal 0. Oh no, 12 no equals 0. It's a completely false statement and fail with first equation, therefore the answer is no solution. Cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is 7x plus 63y equals 63. This is equation 1. 7x again, wow. Minus 9y equal negative 9. Equation 2. This is a system that has 2 equations and 2 unknown. There are many ways to do this. However, I recommend either way, guys. I recommend, for example, in my paper, I did this job. I multiply. No, there are no infinity, but there are several alternatives. You using your imagination and your common sense. However, in my paper, I need to make a decision. I multiply the equation 2, multiply the equation 2 by negative 1. What was my intention? My intention was, when you multiply the equation 1 by negative 1, we have here negative 7. And negative 7 and positive 7 together is ready to elimination. So I copy the equation 2 now after the multiplication, is minus 7x plus 9y equal 9. And this is my new equation 2, that is perfect equivalent 100% to the original. However, it's easy to solving, adding 1 plus 2, but the new 2. Okay, so this is a cancel out. You adding always by column. The column of the x, the column of the y is 72. 63 plus 9. And 63 plus 9 is a coincidence. Okay, 72 divided by 72 both sides. 5 1. In order to find the x value, you decide what equation you consider easier. In my opinion, this is the easier equation. Or number 2 new is the same. And substitution y for 1. So 7x minus 9 times 1 equal minus 9. 7x minus 9, because 9 times 1 is 9, equal minus 9. Entonces es 7x es equal minus 9 plus 9, es 0. Divided by 7, divided by 7, divided by 7, and 0 divided by 7 is solved because 0. And the solution is the order pair 0, 1. Okay, the option, I don't think so, option A, no? Option A. Remember, in the review package, we have multiple choice, but on the test, no. In the test, I left one space in blank in which you need to show me your work in details, right? Any question, guys?
No question.
Okay. Remember, after I will send to you another sequence of the video, okay, in which you can say again this solution and the original video for today in our lecture. Okay, this is number 4. 6x plus 3y equal 51, equation 1, and 2x minus 6y equal 38, equation 2. This is the system. I need to make a decision what way you prefer. For example, I make a decision when I take advantage. Okay, this guy is positive and this guy is negative. So remember the idea behind elimination is we need the same number but the opposite side. I take advantage of this case opposite side. Well, see, no opposite sign. I multiply, for example, the first equation by 2. So I put in this box clear. This symbol indicates multiplication by 2. Why by 2? Because 2 times 3 is 6. So when you multiply the entire equation 1 by 2, we have 12x plus 6y equal 102. And this is my new equation 1. Basically, now I focus my system now is not this equation, this equation. You adding 1 plus 2. 1 new, of course, plus 2. by column. The column of the X is 14 because 12 plus 2 is 14. The column of the Y is canceled out. I create this condition. And the right-hand side part is 140. 102 plus 38, 140. Divided by 14 both sides. Es obvio que this is the X value. In order to find a Y value, well, you take any equation. I suppose, in my opinion, you are a smart guy. You take the equation que have a smaller number. I suppose get this. So you replace X for 10, and you plug in 10 here. So times 2 is 20, no? 20. Minus 6y equals 38. Minus 6y is equal 38 minus 20, que es 18. And divided by minus 6 both sides. Then I get que y alone is minus 3. And the solution is the order pair 10, negative 3. Que es the option A again. Wow. 10, negative 3. Any question, guy? No? Okay. Number 5 is similar to number 1 and number 2, in which you don't need to solve in the system. You verify. Verify is different to solving. Well, one possibility to verify is solving and compare the answer is given and the answer that you obtain. But in this case, more complicated because it's three equations and 3 unknown. You know it's too long. So now verify is easier than solving. You take the potential solution. We are doing number 5, guys. Que es X equal 3. Y equal 2, and Z equal negative 1, and you evaluate in 1 by 1 equation. Equation 1 is X plus Y plus Z, que es 3 plus 2 plus 1, should be equal 4. Sorry. Espérate, I make a mistake, ¿no? ¿Es plus o es minus? Es plus, ¿no? Ah, no, es minus. Look, this is negative 1, no? It's a negative 1. Si es negative 1, entonces here is the minus. O sea, es plus minus. Okay. Let me write correctly, properly. Negative 1 should be 4, sorry. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 equals 4. Okay, cool. Pass the first equation. Let's do it the second. The second is equation 2. Equation 2 is X, que again is 3, minus Y, que es 2, plus 5 times Z, que es negative 1. Should be 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. And 1 minus negative 5 is negative 4, que is not equal 12. It's completely false. Therefore, the answer of this is no solution. That doesn't mean that the system has solution or no. This is another problem. The solution gets given, don't match it with the system. Maybe the system has solution, but it's different, another solution. Or no, it's inconsistent in no solution. I have no idea, but I don't care. Cool? Guy, everyone follow me? How do you feel in this test? It's complicated or no?
No.
Okay, let me try number 6. Number 6 is easy because this system is a little bit weird. This system is No, like echelon form. How do you know that? Look, because the first equation contains x, y, and z. Cool. The second equation, unbelievable. X is missing. And the third equation, wow, y and x is missing, entonces z is equal minus 2. This is echelon because it looks like stairs, like that. Echelon. Entonces this is easy. When this situation happens, it's easy because you apply back substitution. And what mean back substitution? I know que C is negative 2 already. Okay, actually, it's equation 3. It's given. You substitution in the second, and now when you have y, you substitution in the first one. Let's do it. For example, 5y plus 3 times minus 2 should be 4. 5y minus 6, because 3 times negative 2 is minus 6, is equal 4. 5y is equal 4 plus 6, get 10, divided by 5, y is 2. Because I go back to the first equation. The first equation is x, I don't know, no idea. 4 times 2, get y value, plus 2 times c is negative 2, is equal to 3. This is 8, this is 4, negative 4, and 8 minus 4 is positive 4. So for x is 3 minus 4 and negative 1. The solution for this system, the question number 6, is the triple order x, y, z, que numerically is negative 1, positive 2, and negative 2. It corresponds perfectly with the option A in the handout. Option A, let me check it, yeah. Oof. Any question? How do you feel? Good?
Yeah.
So, okay. Let me erase totally double. Let's move to the second page. Second page. This is the second page. Make it zoom. This is a little bit weird. The question 7 is a little bit weird. Similar question you can see in the test guide. And they are no secret. Suppose x plus y plus c equal 10. This is my first equation. The second one is x minus y plus 3z is equal 14. And the third is 2x plus 2y plus 2c equal 12. This is equation 3, and this is my system, 3 equations, 3 variables. Okay. However, I see something weird. You can solve using the traditional way I explained in the lectures, gets too long, in which, for example, you take 2 equations, you eliminate 1 variable, you take another couple of equations, and you eliminate the same variable. And after you combine the 2 new equations, 4 and 5, and 1 more time you eliminate 1 variable. It's sequentially, you eliminate variable by variable. However, in this example, I see something interesting. I see that, for example, in the third equation, any coefficient is even, is 2 or 12. If you divide by 2, you get x plus y plus c equals 6. And this is my new equation 3. You can erase the old equation 3 and you get the new equation 3. If you compare this equation and the first equation, you see a contradiction. Because regardless the value of x, y, and z, when you adding x equal 10 or you add x equal 6, do you see a contradiction or no? So when you have contradiction, obviously, this system is no solution, que es sinónimo to C inconsistent. Option A, inconsistent. This is one shortcut to do fast. However, another possibility is you take equation 1 and equation 2, you eliminate the y, you take the equation 2 and equation 3, you eliminate also the y, and you put together and you eliminate y or c or y, no, I did y, c or x, but you in the middle of this process you see some mistake, contradiction, but I saw at the beginning. Any question? Okay, so I propose you now, let's solving some partial fraction decomposition. Number 8, number 9, and number 10. You know that this is too long. For example, number 11 is crazy. I never put in the test something like that. And number 12 is acceptable. Maybe we can do that. But 11, no. But I want to take advantage in the moment. See, today we reach 11. So I want to explain another way for solving that. Okay, don't worry for this. Okay, let me try to do number 8. Number 8, remember, in partial fraction decomposition, we have 4 cases. When you factorization the polynomial in the denominator, see, we have real non-repeated. That's the case 1. You have real repeated. It's the case 2. You have irreducible quadratic non-repeated. Case 3. And irreducible quadratic repeated. It's case 4. But number 8 is easy because it's just it's already give me the factorization of the polynomial in the bottom. Oh, I appreciate so much the help. And you separate is real, not repeated, and 2 partial fractions. Okay, it doesn't matter the order. You put x minus 2, you put x minus 4, and you put any letter. Usually we use an A, B, C, D. Okay, in this case we have A, B because there's only 2 partial fractions. The least common denominator is the multiplication x minus 2 times x minus 4. When you multiply the entire equation by this, stay like that, x minus 6 only in the left hand side. In the right hand side, we have 8 times x minus 4 plus b x minus 2. Guys, everyone follow me so far? Do you understand very well this? So you understand this. This is the most important that you need to learn. Okay, because the rest is super easy. In this case, always we can use in smart value. For example, I'm using x equal 4. Because I know very well that when you plug in 4, you replace x for 4. At least that part is 0, because 4 minus 4 is 0. So 4 minus 6 is equal nothing. 8 disappear, temporarily of course. B times 4 minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2 positive. Therefore, divided by 2 both sides. It's obvious that b is 1. It's negative 1. Yeah. We have another possibility, another smart value, that is 2. I'm plugging in one more time in this equation. This is the most important equation, guys. This is the most important. Okay, you obtain this equation after you multiply all things by the LCD, que es equivalent to say you eliminate the fraction, you clear the fraction. In algebra, when you have fraction and you want to destroy, clear the fraction, you multiply everything by the least common denominator. This is possible, of course, in the equation that you have equal sign, because you multiply left hand side and right hand side by the same expression. Okay, this is 2, so we have 2 minus 6. So again, now I replace x for 2. Is equal a, 2 minus 4, and what happened with the b? B is 2 minus 2 is 0. This is a smart value. So we have minus 4 is equal 2 minus 4 is minus 2a. I want to find a divided by negative 2 both sides. Therefore, a alone is 2 positive. So what is the answer? The answer is you replace mentally no, in the piece of paper, a is 2 and b is negative 1. And negative 1 you write here whatever you want, or you write either way here. I prefer, but that's my opinion. No? I don't know what's happening in the multiple choice. No, in the multiple choice is different, doing different like me. Put a negative 1 here. Yes, the option, no idea, is to, it's this, let's see, no? Let's see, guys. Answer it right or wrong?
It's right, it's right.
Mm-hmm. And you understand, Miss, very well, no?
Yep.
Okay. Let's move into number 9. Okay. Number 9 is similar because it's 4x squared minus 6 minus 13, but I don't care too much. The numerator part, it's not important. Well, it's important, participate in the game, but it's not important. And in the denominator, que es the important part, we have x plus 1, and x minus 2. So one more time, we have 3 partial fraction decomposition. 1 per each factor that we have in the polynomial, x plus 1, and x minus 1. And you're right. X doesn't matter, the order is not important. X plus 1 and x minus 1. You call the coefficient ABC. Okay, the least common denominator is always the multiplication any factor that we have inside the polynomial. When you multiply, you get 4x squared minus x minus 13. You have a, x plus 1, x minus 1, plus b, x. Let me try to write different. X minus 1, because the opposite we have not here, is cancelled, plus c. X again, multiplication by x plus 1. This idea is clear or no? Miss, your voice is like that? Or you joking me? Huh?
Maybe your connection.
Oh.
I think your mic is muted.
No, it's okay. Sorry. Who are you? Speak again. Nathan. Okay, Nathan. Sorry. No, it's funny. It's funny.
Interesting.
Thank you for helping. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so now you follow me. Now, let me ask a question. You see some smart value or no? Remember, smart value is a value que is smart because when you evaluate, one part disappears. No? Yeah. How many? How many you see? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, right? Okay. Entonces, the first one is easy, es 0, ¿no? Es 0, 0. Si you evaluate 0, es obvio que that part disappear and that part disappear because 0 times something is 0. However, in the left hand side, we have minus 13 because x is 0, que es invisible, no? And we have 8 times, and 0 plus 1, que es 1, and 0 minus 1, que es negative. Entonces 1 times negative 1 es negative 1, negative 8, now divided by negative 1 both sides. Es obvio que 8 is 13 positive. At least you know que you can erase the 8 and you copy 13. Excellent. Now another smart maybe is 1 or negative 1, I don't know. As you evaluate in 1, it's obvio que that part is gone and that part is gone, no? Because 1 minus 1 is 0. That part no. Because the smart value is 0 or negative 1 here. Okay, so stay Z. Then you have 4 times 1, because 1 you know is invisible, minus 1, minus 13, is equal C times 1 and 1 plus 1, que es 2. So 1 squared is 1 times 4 is 4, minus 1 minus 13. This is minus 8, no? But wait a second. This is plus. Why plus? Because the original is minus. Wait. You replace. Oh, it's minus 10, no? Minus 10. A ver. Es minus 10. A ver, es 1. You are right. Es negative. Es negative. Entonces, si es negative, negative 1, you have 4 minus 1 is 3. And 3 minus 13 is negative 10. And the right hand side we have 2C. Because 1 times 2 is 2. 2C. Therefore, C alone divided by 2 is negative 5. Okay, entonces at least I know que that guy is negative 5. And what about B? I need to find B. So I create another smart value. In this case, there are 3 smart values because we have real non-repeated. So when you create negative 1, it's obvious que the part is gone at that part. 0. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. This no, this no. Okay, nice. Entonces I evaluate. 4 negative 1 square is positive 1 minus x, pero x is negative 1, entonces plus 1 positive. Do you follow me? Minus 13 is equal something is equal C no B, because this guy is gone also, no? Stay B only. B, entonces es negative 1 and negative 1 minus 1, que es negative 2. Okay, entonces this is negative 8, no? Because this is 5 minus 13 is negative 8, and this is negative 2, and this is negative 1 together is positive 2B, divided by 2 both sides, B is negative 4. I know que es easy, pero it's too long, no? It's the only disadvantage. Negative 4. This is my final answer. Okay, I need to verify, and the choice is giving at the beginning. I believe case B. Look. Yeah, because 13 is positive, and negative 4, and negative 5. Cool. This is number 9. We are doing number 10. 11 no, 11 is crazy. No, 12 no, 12 is acceptable. I put in the test easy, no super complicated. But you show me word detail. Everything is clear? I can erase or not yet? You let me know. Everything okay?
You can erase that, Professor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there you go. Delete. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is 80 minus 14x over x cubed plus 8x squared plus 16x. Okay, this is a little bit more different because first of all, I need to factorization the polynomial in the bottom. So S and the other question, this is already do the factorization. I appreciate so much the favor, but not always is possible. Now, in this case, no, I need to factorization. But it's easy, look, it's easy. I don't touch never the numerator. Numerator stays the same. But I can see that we have greater common factor. Greater common factor, and this expression obviously is equal x. Get the common factor. You factor out x. We have x squared plus ax plus 16. Cool. I feel no. Why not? Because you have now trinomial. Let's do our best of the factorization. Normally, the trinomial you factor out into binomial, no? Que es x, and you try to find the combination that open the door. Okay, in this case, I believe que is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16, and also 4 plus 4 is 8. Entonces 4, well, I make a mistake or no? Let me see. Let me see if I copy. No, I copy wrong. I copy this sign is minus. Look, this is important detail. It's completely different. This sign is mine and the original. No? I copy plus because I'm crazy. No? But the important thing is the combination que open the door and the factorization is 4 and 4. Why, Professor? Because 4 times 4 is 16 and 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, that number 8 and 16, and both are negative. Ooh, so I discover okay, these factors are twin brothers. It's because this trinomial is perfect square trinomial. And actually, the factorization is 80 minus 14x over x times x minus 4 squared. Do you follow me so far? Do you follow me?
Yes, Professor.
And this is not equal to the traditional case because you have repetition of the one factor. But don't worry, it's another case, case 2, but it's similar. So basically, I take my expression and the typical format for the partial fraction decomposition is you copy x, exactly the same. You copy, x minus 4, pero power 1, and you copy x minus 4 power 2. Guys, you need to memorize this. This is the typical format of the partial fraction decomposition. So you have exponent 3, you put exponent 1, exponent 2, and exponent 3. It's too long, bro. In this case, no. In this case, we have two factors. One factor gets x, gets non-repeated. You put 1 times, and x minus 4. So one factor gets repeated, and you put power 1 and power 2. And you call ABC. A, B, and C. Do you follow me? Do you understand this idea?
Yes, Professor.
Ajá. Entonces, the least common denominator is x times x minus 4. And you multiply our expression completed by this. It's obvious que stay 80 minus 14x. Sorry, the square. The LCD, the LCD is, listen to me. Okay. This is super important moment. And confusing, I know. The factor that we have in the game is x. X minus 4 and x minus 4 squared. And this back, I have the least common denominator. So now the process is selection. Put the factor. You put everything in the back? No. You put x. Because the rule of the LCD is you take every factor. But when they are repetition, you take the majority of them, and the majority is this. That is the reason that our LCD is x times x minus 4 squared. And you omit that guy. Why you omit that guy? Because you include that guy is not the least common denominator. It's a common denominator, but not the least common. Do you understand this idea or no? Clear or confusing? Clear? I can clarify this if you want. Okay, si es clear, no problema, we continue. So now when you multiply by the second, at least x is cancelled, and stay 8 times x minus 4 a squared. Plus b times x stay, and stay also x minus 4 linear, plus c x. Okay, you have now one expression that is equivalent to the whole original, but not fraction anymore, because you multiply everything by the LCD. Okay, cool. Now you try to investigate, see if we have a smart value or no, and plug it in. Of course we have, because it's real. So when it's real, always we have a smart value. One smart value is 0. Because when I create 0, C is gone and B is gone. And another smart value is 4. When the x equals 4, B is gone and A is gone. So this is the smart. But I need more. Because why I need more? Because you have only 2 smart values and you have 3 unknown, that's A, B, C. But don't worry, you create a frame value. A frame value is totally arbitrary value que you declare because you know 2, and you need to find only 3. It's okay, let's do it. Suppose 0, que I like 0. Entonces 80. Because 14 times 0 is 0. This part disappears. A. We have 0 minus 4 squared. And that part is gone. And that part is gone. Okay, entonces 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. 16a divided by 16 both sides. A5. I did that. Let's move on to the smart value 4. Again, we come back, remember, to the important equation. Is this. After the multiplication by LCD. So 4. Let me try 4. 4 is 80. minus 14 times 4. So you replace x for 4 here. So because a disappear, but I don't care because I have a in my hand, and b disappear because 4 minus 4 is 0. I stay alive only c. 4c. Okay, this is 80. This is 56. Now is 24, no? Let me put it in my calculator. 80 minus 56. Let's see, it's 24. I don't see very well here. 80 minus 56. Yeah, it's 24. Equal 4c divided by 4 both sides. C is 6. Okay, and we have no more smart value. I need to find one frame. One frame is one arbitrary value. Because I take advantage, A and C is I found. So I need the only unknown I have is B, no? So you always take an easy value, no 100, no 1000. I like so much 0, but 0 no. 0 is smart. 1 or negative 1. Suppose 1, positive 1. Plugging in x equals, this is 80 minus 14 times 1 get 14. Okay, cool. A, pero A I know get 5. So you not A anymore. You put the equivalent number, get 5. Parentheses 1 minus 4 square. Plus B, I have no idea, as this guy can try to find. Multiplication by 1, and by 1 get invisible. 1 minus 4, okay. Plus C times 1, because X is 1. Okay, so 80 minus 14 is 66. Okay, that's what we have here. 1 minus 4 is negative 3, and negative 3 is square is 9. And 9 times 5 45. Plus something. This is 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Times 1 is negative 3. That actually is negative 3, no positive. Let me erase this positive, and you put negative 3b. Oosh. Negative 3b. Plus, I don't understand what the reason I put C here. 6 is 6, and my problem. I said there are no reason to put C because I found it's 6. Okay, so now, 66, this is 45 plus 51 minus 3b. Okay, 66 minus 51 divided by negative 3. It's 15, no? 15 over minus 3 is negative 5. So that's B and negative 5. And so what is my final answer, guys? Well, my final answer is A is 5. B is negative 5. And C is positive 6. Okay. So I suppose this matching perfectly with the solution. Let me see. Okay. It's positive 6. Yeah, it's C. The answer is C. That one. Okay. Let's do it one more, but no 11. 11 is crazy. 11 is crazy. Let's doing one more acceptable, like 12. I have the solution here, but it's too long. So no, it's stupid. However, more interesting, 12. Guy, do you understand very well or no?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Okay. 12 now. 11 I skip because it's too long. Not complicated, but long. So I don't want too much time to spend doing that. So 12 is ax plus 1 divided by x minus 1 x squared plus x plus 1. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. In this case, we have two factors in the denominator. So somebody do the factorization, not me. I appreciate so much this help. Okay, now, this factor is real linear, non-repeated, of course, no square, no cubic, and this is quadratic irreducible. How do you know que es quadratic irreducible? How do you know que es impossible? Break it down in two factorial trinomial. Well, one possibility is suppose in the quadratic equation that is ax squared plus bx plus c. I'm going to investigate the nature of the solution of this. You compute d, que es the discriminant, que es b squared minus 4ac. Okay, by the way, this is an expression inside the parenthesis in the quadratic formula. No? The quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I take this expression, that one, and I call d, capital D, because normally it's discriminant. Why discriminant? Because this give me information if this solution is real or complex. So now, in our example, it's obvious que A is 1, B is 1, and C is 1. Everything is 1. Look, 1, 1, 1. So when you plug it in, it's 1 squared minus 4 times 1 is 1 minus 4, que es negative 3. Si es negative, indicate us, que es negative number inside the radical, and we have imaginary or complex, much better complex. And complex is impossible factorization like that. Entonces, this is considered like an irreducible quadratic. And the procedure is different. It's different. So now, I suppose you understand this, no? This is trivial. I explain again because I want to make sure. Okay, so the decomposition is x minus 1 plus x squared plus x plus 1. This is degree 1, but this is degree 2. And you know the format of the partial fraction decomposition. This is degree 1, this is degree 0, so no x. But this is degree 1, okay, because the numerator must be 1 degree less than, entonces es cx plus d. This is the format. This is the format of the partial fraction decomposition when you have an irreducible quadratic expression like that. Okay, entonces our least common denominator is always, well, not always, no, but in this case, it's both together, no? Because they are no repetition. And so when you multiply, you have ax minus 1 plus 1, sorry, plus. You have a times x squared plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d times x minus 1. Boom. And this is the expression I need to work. This is important. After the eliminate the fraction. No fraction anymore. But in this case, well, yes, you have a smart value, que es 1. At least 1. Suppose x equal 1. When you are doing this is gone, 0. Entonces a plus 1, que es 9. A, because x is 1, plus 1 is 8. And here we have 1 squared is 1 plus 1 is 3. 3a. Therefore, divided by 3 both sides, a is 3. But unfortunately, we have no more smart value. Entonces now, one possibility is doing by linear system of equations. Remember when I explained the first time in the lecture, we have two options. The option of the smart value is a shortcut. However, the option always you can use a solution for the system of equations. So now what should I do? When you manipulate, so you know que a is 3. So actually it's 3x squared plus x plus 1. But I have no idea about C and D. No, totally lost. But you foil. This is 3x squared distributed 3x plus 3. Plus foil. Cx squared minus cx plus dx minus d. Okay. Now I grouping according to the degree. For example, the x squared is this and this. You copy 3 plus c is x squared. The linear is 3 c and d. Put together is plus parenthesis 3 minus c minus plus d, sorry, x. And the degree 0 que have no x is 3 and d, no? Is plus 3 minus d. You put the parenthesis or no, it's not important because we have no another variable to multiplication, but this polynomial should be equal to this. Therefore, you see that this polynomial have no degree 2. Now, it's obvious que compares 3 plus c is 0. C is negative 3. Well, 3 minus c plus d is equal 8. Now we have one equation, but we have two unknown. Okay, entonces d minus c is equal 5, no? We move 3 to the other side, 8 minus 3 is 5. You have two unknown. We need another equation, but it's easy because 3 minus d is 1, no? Okay, this guy, this one. Therefore, 3 minus 1 is equal to d. D is 2. Es T o es C. C. I only B. I am crazy. Okay. A, C, D. I call. Well, it doesn't matter the name. You call Maria Jose. It should be in my paper. I put B plus C. Okay. This I understand. C, D is 2. C is 2 minus C equal 5. Now 2 minus 5 is equal to C. C is minus 3. Let me double check in my paper. Okay, C is 2 que I call D. Yeah. And C que I call in my paper like a B is minus 3. Cool. I did well. So what is the final answer? The final answer is, let me read right again. A is minus 3. ¿Es minus 3 o plus 3? Oye, I don't know. Let me see, minus 3. What was the mistake? No mistake, it's okay. Plus, C es minus 3. X, and D is 2 over x squared plus x plus 1. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Let me see. I believe I made a mistake. Ah, A3. Look at that. A3. No mistake, no mistake. The mistake wasn't in the last moment. This is 3. Okay, this is the answer, I believe. And now we're to checking. Checking. I don't know what's the answer. And number 12 is 3. X minus 1. Hello, I am crazy. X minus 1. This is minus 1. Hello. I just replaced this for 3, this for minus 3, and this is for 2. Awesome. Entonces 3x, I suppose que is C, ¿no? Yeah, es C. Es C. I don't check in my piece of paper. I do put the option. It's option C. Are you agree with me or no? A ver, let me check it out again, one more time. Is 3 over x minus 1? Yes. Minus 3 plus 2. Okay, cool. Okay, guys, let's stop here. We continue. So you try now solving the test. Of course, I suppose que you doing the homework. And submit also the test online. So everything is due April 10, okay, so next Monday at midnight. Therefore, I will check in next Tuesday, is April 11. Okay, clear? Everything is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Professor.
Professor.
Super. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. It's a long weekend.
Thank you, Professor. Can I talk to you after class for a second?
Yes. Who?
It's Leslie.
Leslie. No, but Leslie, let me go to the restroom and I right back, okay?
Okay.
I am back, Leslie. Tell me. Leslie,
Yes,
are you there?
yeah, I'm here. I wanted to ask you because I emailed you about because I redid some of the exams to improve my grade, but I didn't see them on the on how's it called on Canvas.
What is the situation? I do not update your grade in Canvas.
No, not the Alex one.
On paper.
The papers are good. The Alex one are the one they're off because I noticed if you open it again, and then I redid it for get a better grade for the class.
Yeah.
and it's not there. So I don't know if I'm able to have them updated or it's just not able to.
No, LD for LD. But let me try to understand. Your request is about the reading test.
Alex. No, the
Ah,
Alex. The
all right.
Alex. My reading text, I have them all good, and the grade
I
on it's on point and
okay.
everything.
Entonces, I extending the due date, no? You see that?
Yeah, I saw that they
Ah,
extended due date, so I did the following trials for try to update, like upgrade the grades that I had previously on the Alex because I've been focusing more on the reading because it takes more time and I don't know, it's more exciting. I don't like too much computer stuff.
no, you can retake. But just in case, I appreciate so much que you remind me. So you send me email, Professor, I retake the test number something, y I improve. Because I update in Canvas. Okay.
Oh,
eh,
okay. No, because when I text you because I was kind of worried. Because I'm studying architecture, so sometimes I'm doing the assignments, but I'm being trying to be on point on the exams. So I've been trying to have like a great score on my reading and my Alex one. But lately I've been focusing a lot on the reading ones because it takes me more time to do it than the Alex. And since I saw you open it, I improved the
okay.
score.
Entonces I understand que you need more attendance.
No, I do not. I just need if you'll be able to update the grades that I already have it on Alex.
Okay. Okay.
Because I
Conclusion.
have like I
Conclusion.
have
I changed the due date because I was a request of the another student, not you. But you take advantage. So you
yeah,
want
I
to
did. I did take
ah
advantage of it. I'm
ah
sorry.
are you improve or no?
Yes, I did. I didn't prove it in the three
Eh,
first tests.
a ver, let me know quickly. Leslie, in which one?
Yes.
What
The
number?
first one I got 98. The second one I got a 97, and the third one that was due day Monday I got a 95.
Wow, you're the best. Plus the
And I've been
homework.
getting on my as I got it on the reading one 105 in each one of them. So I'm worried about oh my god, I haven't done like consistently the homework because I'm spending too much time on the reading one and on the online that I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna fail the class if I don't got good the homework too.
Okay, good. I know. I check it out one more time. I update this. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Another student try to say something more with me or no? Monique? Andrea? No.
Thank you, Professor.
Yes,
Okay.
Professor. I did
Who are
have
you? Andrea.
something to tell you.
Who are you?
Andrea,
Andrea?
yes.
Yeah. Come on, Andrea. What happened? What's going on?
Yes. So for my last test that was due recently, I did get a bad grade, but I did the homework, but I don't see the extra credit reflecting on the homework.
Okay.
I mean,
Remember,
yeah.
the extra credit, you talking about the Alex, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. You let me, because I need to open Alex, you know?
Okay.
You let me, you, so, in the homework, you get what score you get in the homework. So we are
In
talking
the
about
homework, I got an 80.
in every homework.
Oh, we have to finish every homework to get the extra credit?
Absolutely. So you get in one homework less than
Oh,
80.
okay.
No, nothing for you because you are
Oh, I thought
lazy.
it was just.
Yeah. Yeah, in
I
one moment you are strong. You are strong in one moment, but after you decay. To say no reward for you. Okay.
oh okay. So we have to do all the homeworks to receive extra credit for
Yeah.
all of them.
So suppose you have three homework.
Oh.
80, 80,
Uh-huh.
or more or greater than 80. Yes, it's 10 extra points. Not only one or two, three.
Oh.
More.
Okay. I
You understand?
understand now.
Okay.
All right. Thank you,
Now
Professor.
you take advantage for the test 4 and the test 5.
Okay.
Okay,
All
Andrea.
right. Thank you.
Bye bye. See
Yes.
you.
All right. Bye-bye.